How to use a promo code on DoorDash. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use a DoorDash promo code and to save money on your food orders. If you love a good deal, stick around and let's get started. First, launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone, and if you don't have the app yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and sign in to create an account. Once you're logged in, enter your delivery address and browse through the available restaurants. When you find something you want to order, tap on it to view the menu. Select your items and add them to your cart. After you've added all your items, tap on the shopping cart icon to review your order. If everything looks good, click on Checkout to proceed to the payment screen. After you've added all your items, tap on the shopping cart icon to review your order. If everything looks good, click on Checkout to proceed to the payment screen. In the payment section, look for the option to enter a promo code. It's usually labeled as Add Promo Code or something similar to this. Tap on it and enter your code carefully. Make sure to double check for any typos. After entering the promo code, tap Apply and you should see a confirmation that the code is accepted, along with the discount reflected in your order total. If the code doesn't work, ensure that it hasn't expired and that you meet any requirements. Once your promo code is successfully applied, complete the payment process. Choose your payment method and review your order one last time and then tap Place Order. And that's it. You've successfully used the promo code on DoorDash in 2024. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.